I would like to explain experiment number 6, Prim's algorithm for finding minimum spanning tree in a graph. First we import java.etil, then we define a public class Prim's algorithm, then public static void main string args int number of vertices scanner cobs equals to new scanner system.in. Then we use system.out.println and enter the number of vertices in a graph and int number of vertices equals to new int number of vertices system.out.println and enter the vertices row wise for int I equal to 0 and I less than number of vertices I plus plus then vertices of I equal to scope j dot next int then int dimension array new int number of vertices int array equals to new int of 3 number of edges int k equal to 0 for loop int I equal to 0 I less than number of vertices I plus plus for int j equals to 0 j greater than number of vertices j plus plus if I greater than j I less than j system.out.println and enter the weight on the edge plus vertices j plus int entry equals scope dot next int two-dimensional array ij in equals to entry two-dimensional array ji entry if two-dimensional ij equals to 0 array of 0 comma k equals to two-dimensional array of 1 into k equals to 1 into 10 plus j k plus equals to I 1 then sorting the two-dimensional array using bubble sort in 0 into n into 2 for I int I equal to 0 I less than number of edges I plus plus for int j equals to 0 j less than number of edges minus 1 j plus plus if array equals to 0 j minus 1 greater than 0 and array of 0 and j greater than 0 and array of 0 and j minus 1 greater than array of 0 into j swapping in the first row int temp equals to array of 0 j minus 1 into 0 of j minus 1 equals to array 0 into j array 0 of jump j equals to temp swapping in the second row int temp equals to 2 array 1 j minus 1 array of j equals to 1 equals to array of I 1 into j array of 1 into j equals to temp 2 system.out.println mst cost into a equals to array of 1 into 0 int first digit equals to array of a by 10 int second equals to a percentage by 10 int recent vertex second digit int starting vertex equal to first digit system.out.println first digit plus second digit plus array of 0 into 0 int sum equals to array of 0 into 0 int count equals to 2 while true if count equals to hyphen number of vertices for int for loop int 1 equals to I equals to 1 I less than number of vertices I plus plus int I equal int first equals to minus 1 second equals to minus 1 division equal to array of 1 into I if division by 10 less than 1 first equals to 0 second equals to array of 1 into I else if division 10 greater than 0 first division by 10 second division percentage 10 then first equals to recent vertex and array of 2 into I equal infinity equals to minus 1 system.out.println and recent vertex plus second plus a of array of 0 into I recent vertex equals to second array of 2 into I equals to minus 1 count plus equals to 1 sum plus equals to array of 0 into 1 break else if second equals to recent vertex and 2 into I minus 1 system.out.println recent vertex plus first plus array of 0 into I and recent vertex equal to first array of 2 into I equal to minus 1 then count plus 1 plus equals to 1 array of 0 into 1 then break repeat the value into 2 times repeat the same procedure into 2 times then else system dot out dot println, then minimum cost of spanning tree plus some else break else stops the program, then output equals to enter the number of vertices in graph, we give 7, and enter the number of vertices in input, we give 9, enter the vertices equals to row by 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, then enter the weight 0 to 1 28, 0 to 2 0, 0 to 3 0, 0 to 4 2 0, 0 to 5 10, 0 to 6 0, 0 1 to 2 16, 1 to 3 0, 1 to 4 0, 1 to 5 0, 1 to 6 14, 2 to 3 12, 2 to 4 0, 2 to 5 0, 2 to 6 0, 3 to 4 22, 3 to 6 18, 4 to 5 25, 4 to 6 24, 5 to 6 0, then a minimum cost of minimum MST 0 to 5 equal to cost 10, 5 to 4 cost 25, 4 to 3 cost 22, 3 to 2 cost 12, 2 to 1 cost 16, 1 to 6 cost 14, minimum cost of spanning tree is total 99, hence proved.